At the heart of the KP2 lies the Amlogic S905Y4 processor, a chip optimized for smooth decoding of 4K HDR content. Paired with Android TV 12, the stick offers a responsive and user-friendly interface. Navigation feels fluid, whether you're switching between apps, browsing the Play Store, or commanding Google Assistant. The certification from Google is a major plus, ensuring access to official updates, premium apps like Netflix in true 4K, and full integration of Google services. Tanix KICKPI KP2 is a powerful, cost-effective streaming stick that excels in delivering pristine 4K HDR visuals, rich Dolby Atmos audio, and a user-friendly smart TV experience powered by Android TV 12. Its Google certification ensures compatibility and access to all major streaming platforms, while its gaming and smart home features add versatility.